I had this empty bed here and I didn't know what to plant, so on December 1st, I decided to sow some garlic and beet seeds. Optimal time to plant beets is around 6 weeks before your first fall frost. Well, I was already mid-frost here in zone 8A, but I was bored and wanted to plant something. I didn't care if it wasn't the right time. This dirt had been sitting here for a while, so I removed a little bit off the top layer and added some compost. The beet seeds I got at my local library, but they were from last year, so I kind of thought they might not germinate, which the ones I planted toward the back didn't, but the ones in the front did. And you want to sow seeds 1/2 inch deep and 1 to 2 inches apart. These garlics are from a bulb I got at the grocery store and separated. I wanted to experiment and see if they'd actually grow, but honestly, that's not recommended as they can have diseases or may have been treated. But these were organic, quote, so let's hope not. I added a bit of topsoil, but I actually thought this was compost at the time. My bad. Beets grow best in well-prepared fertile soil, but they also tolerate average soil. They don't like acidic soil though. I covered it with straw mulch, but I guess I should have watered it first and then added the straw. Just remember, you're gonna learn from my mistakes and not do exactly what I did. 2 whole months later, they finally started growing on February 16 along with the garlic. Unfortunately, I didn't have an automatic watering system in place, so it would get erratic waterings from me, which is why it might have halted the growth, as they prefer soil that remains moist for optimal germination. You can also soak the seeds for 24 hours prior to planting to speed up that germination process. That white stuff you see on the garlic is bone meal, but actually I didn't fertilize the beets at all. And they still grew pretty well. Like I had mentioned, I didn't water them on a regular basis and they still seem to thrive. I finally pulled them out on April 8th and I made some beet juice. So all in all, I'd say growing beets is pretty easy. Keep following Garden Dreams and DIY schemes for some more of my gardening journey and DIY antics. Thanks for watching. See you later.